Hey there. So we are back with Microsoft Teams. So now I'll show you how to delete a team. So if I click on this icon called delete on the dummy team, now you can see that dummy team is gone here from the list. So if we go to the workflow, so this is the API called delete group where it will ask for group ID, which is team ID. You can get it from this list and then the access token. So in order to get this list of teams, we'll go to the design, and this is the repeating group where there is an API called list all the joined teams. So in there you need to give the access token. So from there you will be able to get the value, which are display name, created time, description and all. And from there you can get the ID of the team, and you can use that here to delete the team. So yeah, this is how you retrieve all the teams and delete a team. Thank you.